Good evening everyone, you are watching BSG News powered by Bharat Scouts and Guides. With you, I am Miss Ananda Biswas from West Bengal State. Let's focus on this week's news headlines. Workshop on Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence conducted by various state associations of Bharat Scouts and Guides. Assam, Chhattisgarh, Eastern Railway, NF Railway, Uttarakhand and West Bengal. Bihar, Eastern Railway and Jharkhand and NF Railway State Association pay tribute to the martyrs of Pulwama attack. Rovers and Rangers of Dawa HS School organized hiking program under the leadership of Saroj Kumar RSL. Workshop on Sustainable Development Goals was organized by Vaishali District Association. Beginner course was organized by Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides at Baloda Bazaar. Virtual ambulance man batch training were organized at Shaikar and Jodhpur district of Rajasthan State. Of Honorable Governor of Rajasthan State, Sri Kalraj Mishra was present in the review meeting of the State Association. J&K Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Section 2021 activities of the Indian Oil Corporation Limited at State Headquarters, Gandhinagar, Jammu on 12th and 13th February 2021. Honorable Minister of Transport, Government of Assam, Sri Chandra Mohan Patwari honored Path Suraksha Mitra 10 of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Assam State at Santo Shankar Dev Kalakshetra, Guwahati, Assam on 16th of February 2021. Honorable Education Minister, Government of Karnataka, Mr. Suresh Kumar visited and encouraged the candidates of basic training course. News in brief. Workshop on Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence was conducted by Eastern Railway and West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides State Association on 14 February 2021 at the local training center, in which 20 Cubs and Bulbuls participated at Asansol and 40 Scouts and Guides at Behala. Two workshops of Freeing Me and Action on Body Confidence organized by Bharat Scouts and Guides, Uttarakhand State from 12 to 14 February 2021 and 15 to 17 February 21 with the aim to take FMB and ABC at the grassroots level, where young boys and girls will be able to get more confidence and have opportunity to learn different activities. Two district level Freeing Me Action and Body Confidence workshop were conducted by Bharat Scouts and Guides of NF Railway State, Dibrugarh District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides, NF Railway State conducted 3 days FMB ABC workshop from 6 to 8 February 2021, where 51 participants got the training of FMB and ABC. Alipurduar District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides, NF Railway State also conducted a one-day workshop of FMB and ABC on 13 February 2021, where 50 participants attended. The workshop was inaugurated by Mr. Samaresh Chakraborty, District Secretary BSG, APDG. The State Organizing Commissioner Scout, Sri Khagesh Kumar Das, and State Coordinator Freeing Me, Sri Bikram Chetri, graced the event with the present through Zoom video conference. One day Freeing Me ABC workshop conducted as Gosaigaon Girls High School of Kokrajhar, district of BSG, Assam State, in which 36 Scouts and Guides participated. Scouts, Guides, Rover, Rangers and the unit leaders of Bihar, Eastern Railway, Jharkhand and NF Railway State Association paid tribute to the martyrs of Pulwama attack on 14 February 2021. Rover Ranger unit of Dawa HS School, Braghar, organized a hiking program at Tikhali Dam, Naupara, under the leadership of Mr. Suraj Kumar Sahu, RSL. 11 rowers and 11 rangers actively participated and learned about hiking, the essence of the nature. Workshop on Sustainable Development Goals was organized by Vaishali District of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 15 February 2021, in which discussion on achieving the targets of SDGs Goals 2030 was held by the members of District Program Committee. Road Safety Awareness Campaign was organized by DAV Public School, Balashur of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides on 15 February 2021, in which 20 rowers and rangers participated and created public awareness on road safety. First quarter-final round of the first All India Railways Virtual Solo Dance Competition, inaugurated by Mr. A. Sajong, State Commissioner Scout, Northeast Frontier Railway, in which 21 participants from East Central Railway, Eastern Railway, Northeast Frontier Railway, Southeastern Railway, and Southeast Central Railway presented standard and colorful dance in the glorious presence of the dynamic leaders and guests on 14 February 2021. The program was hosted by the Eastern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides has organized review meeting on 11th February 2021 at Raj Bhavan, Jaipur, in which 70 unit leaders participated virtually. Honorable Governor of Rajasthan State was also present in the review meeting. Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides had organized a cycle rally on 12th February at Janjgir Champa, in which 29 Scouts and Guides and unit leaders participated. The cycle rally was flagged off by the District Chief Commissioner. Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides had organized beginner course on 13th February 2021 at Baroda Bazaar, in which 210 leaders participated. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides had organized Road Safety Month on 14 February 2021 at Ringas, in which 19 rovers and unit leaders participated. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides had organized ambulance man batch training on 15 February 2021 at district headquarters Shaikar, in which 48 Scouts and Guides and 15 unit leaders participated. Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides had organized Tree Meet Camp on 11 to 13 February 2021 at Mungeli, in which 50 rovers and rangers and 5 unit leaders participated. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides had organized virtual ambulance man batch training on 16 February 2021 at Jodhpur, in which 50 Scouts and Guides and 10 unit leaders participated. Ghaziabad district of Uttar Pradesh Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Rajya Puraskar testing camp of Scouts and Guides from 8 to 12 February 2021, at which Dr. K. N. Modi Science and Conference Inter College, Modinagar, Ghaziabad, in which 250 Scouts and Guides participated. On 13 February 2021, Rovers and Rangers of Government College, Nagrota Bhavan District, Kangra, Himachal Pradesh has organized a one-day cleanliness drive camp with 41 rovers and rangers. On 14 February 2021, Scouts and Guides of Government Senior Secondary School, Chowri District, Hamipur, played an important role in polio campaign. J&K Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Section 2021 activities of Indian Oil Corporation Limited at State Headquarters, Gandhinagar, Jammu on 12 to 13 February 2021 under the theme Green and Clean Energy. 40 Scouts and Guides from 12 schools took part in the painting, drawing, essay writing and online pledge activities. Meeting for preparation of national level COVID protection cum environmental awareness program for and formation of district council at Riyasi district was held on 13 February 2021 at Katra, Riyasi under the leadership of Mrs. Nasreen Khan, State Coordinator J&K. Dignitaries of SHQ and HODs of various departments attended the meet. Webinar on Stop the Violence on 11 February 2021 organized by Northern Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides, Srimati Shobhana Narayan, a famous and recognized Indian Kathak dancer and officer with Indian Audit and Account Service. Sri PGR Singh, Secretary General, President in Council, Bharat Scouts and Guides were the guest speaker of the webinar. Bharat Scouts and Guides Delhi State actively took part in the grand celebration of Rising Day on 16 February 2021, in which number of Scouts, Guides, Rovers, Rangers and other leaders participated. The government of Assam organized a concluded ceremony of National Road Safety Month at Srimanta Shankardev Kalakshetra, Guwahati, Assam on 16 February 2021. Sri Chandra Mohan Potwari, Honorable Minister of Transport of Assam, honored Path Suraksha Mitra team of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, Assam State with certificate and immediate action toolkit. New Bongagan and Tinshukia District Association of Bharat Scouts and Guides in a railway conducted condolence meeting and paid homage to CRPF Jawans with candle lighting and also for the families of those who martyred in Pulwama attack. 96 members from both the district association were present there. Mr. Suresh Kumar, Education Minister, Government of Karnataka visited and encouraged the candidate of basic training course of Khanapura, Belgavi district of Karnataka state. Kerala State Bharat Scouts and Guides had conducted virtual state counseling meeting on 12 February 2021. Maharashtra district of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted Happy Family oratorical competition for rovers on 15 February 2021 to commemorate 11th anniversary of Maharashtra district and 96th World Thinking Day celebration. First physical basic course for guide captain was conducted at Nizamabad, Telangana State. State Chief Commissioner of Telangana State Bharat Scouts and Guides, Srimati Kalvant Kuntula Kavita visited district headquarters, Nizamabad and distributed the certificates. The Scouts and Guides of Kurnool district Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their service in election duty at Nandikutkar Srivani English Medium School. Focusing on forthcoming news. The Bharat Scouts and Guides is going to celebrate World Thinking Day and Golden Arrow Award ceremony, facilitation to Friends to BSG, rendering service during COVID-19 award, presentation of honorable charge on 22nd February 2021 at 3 p.m. The celebration planned for both physical and virtual participation and live telecast will be available in the official YouTube channel of BSG. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides is going to organize a camp for girls Bashundhara from 4th to 8th March 2021 at STC Bargon ITI Sundargarh for the members of Odisha State. For more information, you can contact your state headquarters Odisha. Thank you for watching.